What is affiliate marketing? It is simply just earning a commission or a fee for sharing a product or a service with your followers. There's absolutely no cost or fee for your followers to use your affiliate link. So let's say you go to a restaurant and you absolutely loved that restaurant. So of course, you go and you tell everybody you know about that restaurant. Now when somebody goes, on your recommendation, you get a commission on everything they buy. Affiliate marketing is basically the exact same concept.
Yeah, good everyone, go by name Skyward. As you can see this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, if you've been following my channel, my videos, you know I'm a software developer and I'm also a affiliate marketing coach. Yes, I train people on how to make money online on different digital marketing platforms, and now presently I'm training people on how to use ClickBank to earn really good money and really good sales. So I have a software which I've developed which help me generate leads online that promote my platform or my link to this leads, and I get results like the ones you can see on the screen. This is the result of one of my students that got my software and video course and is doing fine already. As you can see, this is an excellent result. Yeah, he got my video course and software and has been doing fine on his affiliate marketing business. This is his ClickBank profile. Moasili, yeah, he got it. He's from Italy, so he got my software and video course and is doing fine already. Yeah, so remember to get my video course and software. Enjoy the click of the smartphones that are making hedge and earning really good money online now, because it's not about the hard work but the smart work, about the chances and the opportunities and the opportunities that you take and you make advantage of. So to get my software and video course today and start earning really good money on any of your affiliate marketing platform, because my software is not only applicable to ClickBank alone, you can use my software on other digital affiliate marketing platform. Contact me today on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen. Yeah, because affiliate marketing has gone beyond the previous method which we know by which you can get leads online. Yes, before I developed the software which I've used that gave me this excellent result, I've tried several methods. I tried SEO, Facebook ad sharing, many methods which you might have tried also, but did not give my desired result. So since I've started using my software to get sales on my ClickBank and other affiliate marketing platform, that's really changed the game for me. So I just want to bring this opportunity to the general public, to people that are serious. If you are serious, I'm going to help you, because the price is not really a high price here, because after getting software, I've still trained you on how to be a professional affiliate marketer and be a successful affiliate marketer. So to get the software and video course today and start earning really good money and earning really good sales like what you can see on the screen, remember you can always contact me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyward07@gmail.com or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen. So get the video course and software today and start earning really good on any of your digital affiliate marketing platform. Once again, I go by the name Skyward. Get the software today and be a successful affiliate marketer. Thank you.